Hello guys, this is Silva here again. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to analyze your chart from the daily time frame down to the 5 minutes or the 15-minute time frame where you'll be taking your entry. And here on this video, I'll be showing you some conditions you need before taking your entry after doing your analysis. Alright, so that's what I'll be showing you guys in today's video, and this is volatility 75 index. Alright, so first of all, as you all know, I'll first of all analyze from the daily time frame. Alright, yes, this is the daily time frame right now. So I'll first of all identify the trend. Right, so the current trend of the market, which I can see now, is a downtrend. Alright, this is currently a downtrend. Right, we are in a downtrend currently. Alright, which is the overall trend of the market right now. Now, after identifying that, I'll move down to the 4 hours time frame. So after identifying the trend from the higher time frame, right now I know the overall trend is a downtrend. So what I'm gonna do now is to put in some counter trend, right, to look for trend that is going against our overall trend. Now I can spot something here, right? So let me do this, right? Okay, let me go to the 1 hour time frame so that I'll draw this properly. So you can see here on the 1 hour, you can see that here on the 1 hour we are having an uptrend, right? You can see that trend is currently going up here. There is an uptrend here which has been broken, right? You can see because the overall trend is a downtrend, price is currently going down, right? So it broke our counter trend line here now, right? Let me draw this very well so that I can get something accurate. All right, and you can see that price is currently heading down right now, right? Price is going down based on what I'm seeing here on the 1 hour time frame, right? Price is currently going down, right? And then let me identify the zone, right? There's a zone down here that price will be heading to, and this zone might bounce price back up again. Right, you don't know, but you just need to mark out your setup so that you know what to do whenever the time comes, right? So identifying this, so after this one break, then we can spot another one down here, right? Another level of support and resistance zone right down here. All right, but we just have to wait because that is pretty much very far from price, so we need to work with the current to the current support and resistance zone here, the one that is close to us, right? I wouldn't want to go far because I'm a scalper, not a swing trader, so I'll just work with something I can see that is close to me. All right, so this is what I can see here, right? So all that I'm seeing now is that price is currently going down. So let me go to the 30-minute time frame and see what's going down there. So here on the 30-minute time frame, you can see it's still going well with our analysis, right? All factor is pointing down. So let's check the 15-minute time frame and see what's going down there, right? So here on the 15-minute time frame, everything is still going well. Let's check the 5-minute time frame. All right, so now you can see how everything is playing well with our analysis, right? So here on the 5-minute time frame, all right, this is where we'll be taking our entry from. All right, this is where I will personally be taking my entry from if I'm to take entry on this trade, right? So, and this is what I will do before taking any entry. I'll still put in another trend line here again, marking out the necessary support and resistance zone here. All right. So this is what I'm gonna do here. So now you can see that even here, price is currently breaking down this trend line. Price is currently breaking below it, right? So what I will be doing now is to mark it out. I'm trying to get a tip, right? So after marking it out like this, now this is what I'll wait for, right? I'll wait for this candlestick to close below this, right? After closing below it, I'll take my entry from this area. I'll take my entry from the close of that candle, right? Then my stop loss will be somewhere around here or above the the um the structure there, right? So I'll put it somewhere around there according to my risk management, right? If this area is what I'm willing to lose, then my stop loss is going to be there. And if I put it here and the amount of money you give me is what I can lose, then I'll be okay with it. And then after that, I'll set my TP, right? Which my first TP is going to be around this zone, right? And then the second TP is going to be in the other zone I showed you guys on the higher time frame, right? It's going to be on the next zone here, right? So this is how we do these things. All right, this is how you should do it, right? So you just need to make a plan, and then the next thing is to wait for your conditions to be met, right? So as you can see, the condition was not met, price is still currently going up, right? And if it closed above there, I will not be taking entry, right? So any entry I will be taking now here in this area, right, is going to be when price breaks above this, right? I want to see that price breaks above this trend line here, give it a retest, and then that is when I will buy, right? That's when I will be taking any entry to the upside, right? So now I have a plan. The next thing now is to have the patience enough, to be patient enough to wait for my conditions to be met before taking any entry, right? So let me show you something, guys. Let me show you why it's good to always do your analysis from the higher time frame. All right, so if I'm to do another analysis based on only support and resistance, right, let me not draw any trend line now. Let me just use support and resistance. So here I can spot some support and resistance zone here right now, right? There's a support and resistance zone there, right? Do you know why I mark this place? I mark this place because I'm working with the most recent area of structure, right? I don't want to go too far, so I'm working with the most recent area of structure, which is this area right here, and you can see it's a confirmed support and resistance zone, right? You can see that price came here, retest, bounce back, came, break through it, retest, bounce up, broke through it, bounce here, strong support and resistance zone, right? It bounced here and then price is bouncing back down now, right? So that is a good support and resistance zone. And then if I'm to mark out another support and resistance zone, I'll say there is a support and resistance zone down here also, which price is currently bouncing from now, right? Where price is currently bouncing from. Now you can see this is what happened here. Price was bounced down from this zone, it broke, and this is the retest. So the chance of price going down, all right, the probability of price going down is higher than it's going up, right? Based on what I'm seeing here, right? But you don't know, anything can happen, right? So this, if I'm to use only price and support and resistance zone, so this is what I'm seeing, right? So any strategy you are using, the price action indicator, right? Yours is just to have the understanding of what the market is doing, and then the next important thing that will come to your mind is your risk management. All right, whenever you want to take the entry, and always make sure you mark out the necessary support and resistance zone in order to know where your target will be, right? So you don't just set a long TP except you are a swing trader. If you can hold and your equity is much, so that's when you should be doing this. So I can see that maybe price is going down now. Let me check the 5 minute time frame, right? So as you can see, the indicator there, the candlestick there, sorry, close above the zone, so it's not safe. So now I'll just wait for this one now that is currently moving to close. If it closes below, then I'll take my entry. So this one currently it closed above our trend line, so I will not still take any entry, right? But I'm not even sure I'll take any entry on this one because I won't be able to wait for it to get to TP so that I'll show you guys. Alright, but I'll show you what is important here is that I'm showing you how you should like analyze and take your own entry, just like as I've said in the beginning of the video. All right, so that is all I want to show you. You can see how everything is now clear. All right, you now have the understanding you need in order to take your entry. All right, and you know where your TP should be. So that is pretty much everything I want you guys to know. All right, so thank you guys for watching. This is where I'll be drawing the curtain now. See you guys in my next video. See you out.